Hello everyone, I'm Joanne. Welcome to my craft room. I am an affiliate for Spellbinders and other companies. There's links below this video for you to click on. When you do that and place an order, I receive a small commission, and that's at no cost to you. Thank you so much for your support of my YouTube channel and my videos. I really appreciate it. So I've been having so much fun with NICHOL'S SPOHR's needlework collection, and this has to be, I love all of them, but the toolkit is just really cute because I love the scissors. And whatever this is, like a goose or a stork or whatever kind of scissors that these are, I know that they are just as cute as can be. I know that they make real scissors like this, and I don't know what they're called. So drop me a note below of what they're called because they are so cute. I've always seen them and just thought it was really cute they put it in this collection. I'm going to be using, I was going to use something from this press plate, Cheers to You sentiment, but I'm not. What am I using for the sentiment? Here it is. I took out just a regular silver reversed foil Happy Birthday is what I'm going to use. And that I used the HEXI-GEM collection for that. So I'll link all of that below for you guys. So I hope you enjoy. And here we go. I have already ran this beautiful blue paper through an embossing folder, the tiny dots right here. It's SES 051. I did for my pin right here for my needle, I used the matte, let's see, the matte metallic right here from that treasured cardstock. This is new. You get all of this in here, glittered, matte, brushed, mirrored, pearl, 5 styles, 3 of each. It's they have silver, gold, and rose gold, and they are just fantastic to have in your collection. I talked about in another video coloring these hoops. I wanted to use this one. Look at this. I have one hoop left, the big one. One big one left. I have to make another 5x7 card with that. And so I'm just going to take an alcohol marker that I have here. This is the bronze of a blends, and the tip is really kind of bad, but there's still ink in it, so it's good for stuff like this. So this is all I'm going to do, is to color this. So my card base is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4, and the blue piece that's on top is 5.5 by 4 1/4, and then I embossed it with the tiny dots. And oh, how cute. And put it on the card base. Now this is going to go right here. I think I'm going to do an angle like that. So what I did was I took the this piece here, and this is like the main piece because that makes it look like the fabric that you would cross stitch on. And this is from the Gathering Stitches, and so that's where this comes from. Let's look at those cards. I've been showing them. I just love them. So here I did the 2 small hoops. That came out so cute. And I forgot on the video, I stamped the message inside on this one. Wishing you a little extra Christmas magic this year. And that comes from, that's the stamp set that's in the set for this. And then I did this one, So Much to Be Grateful For. These 2 right here are the very beginning of the set. This is where you get the round part, for the hoop. Okay, whether it be that you're using the die cut hoop or a wooden hoop. And then I did this one here. Look at that wooden hoop, and that for Thanksgiving. I love that. And then this one for Christmas, and this is the 5x7 with the big hoop. That came out so pretty. I'm really thrilled with these cards. What a nice collection. Each and every one of them different. And now I'm just going to go ahead and put my sentiment up here. Let's see, is that sticky? That's sticky. And I'm just going to put this right here. This comes from that HEXI-GEM collection. It has dies and sentiments with hot foil plate with the dies to cut them out, and that's where I got that from, and I thought that silver looked pretty good right there. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put a little glue around this, just around the edge. I found it best. I wasn't sure what to do. I wasn't sure, like in working with the collection, I figured out that if you get your glue right to the edge of this paper, that you should do pretty good placing your hoop. But you got to really get it to that edge, or you could put it on your hoop like on the inside of the circle, and that gets it pretty good. I did pretty good with that, and I wanted it straight this time. Sometimes I angle them, sometimes not, but I'm going to do all of this just straight like that. Cute. And I'm just going to go ahead and add more glue back here. Glue all this down. And I already know that I want it straight. And look how nice that wood just, you know, covered up with the alcohol marker. Really easy that way. Okay, I'm going to kind of push this to the side. I have my needle here, and I did that. I cut that out with that brushed silver, and then this is supposed to be like a little bit of thread. So when I put it down on there, I'm just going to kind of bend this up a little bit so that I could get that flat. And then these scissors are so cute. So just a little glue here, and I'm pretty sure this is how they go together. Is it a goose? Is it a stork? What kind of scissors are these? Because they are just adorable. But I know that they are in the crafting world. Look at that little beak. I'm just going to let that beak kind of open up just a little bit. Oh my goodness, that is so stinking sweet. Ah, they're perfect. They're perfect. Now the spools here I just did in brown, and here's the spool, and then here is the thread just like this, and how cute is that? And I'm just going to put those on there. And I just did a light pink, a dark pink, and this has like a swoop up here, like a concave, and then a rounded part. The rounded part's the bottom. So did light pink, dark pink, and blue. Doesn't matter what color you do. And I thought that this was more of like not a Christmas card, right? So there's all of our elements, and let's go ahead and place these on here, something like that. And then our little stork, I guess, whatever kind of scissors that they are. And then I'm going to bring this guy in like that. Let's put this down first. Okay. Let's move this guy because that's in that gold and I don't want to get smushy glue on it. There we go. Just like that. And I kind of want these to just like hang off. Maybe if I move that to there and hang these off that way. No, I don't like it like that. I want it like this. Oh my goodness, they're so stinking adorable. So that's what I'll do. I'll put it right here and then a little bit out here, and I'll just put it down on there. Well, you can't let it go off the card because then it'll never get in the envelope, right? So let's make sure that I'm in far enough. That doesn't work, does it? Okay, let's wipe that off. Did not work. So it should come in like that. So just two little parts up here. Let me let that just cross over that needle like that. That's fine. Cute. Just like that. That's adorable. Now let's see. Let's put light pink, dark pink, and blue. Yes. So I want this up with a foam. Definitely. And let's put this one in here, just like that. I need for this to stick. Let's do that, okay? Okay, now this little guy is going to go out here, so it's going to kind of go on the wood. Let me put that there. And then this one's going to go in there, and we'll put a foam on there. Just kind of sneak that in. There. Let's move this a little closer. Okay. And just like that, I will put some weight on that, and it has already adhered out here. It just needs time. And there is that, or a sequence for sure, because of the blue. You know these things are going to shine blue. Let me see up here. Should I put one on each spool? Oh my goodness, that's adorable. That is so cute. 7, 8. I knew I was okay. I need one more somewhere. And there we go. Always a odd number. Pull these in a little closer. Put these right where that, you know, where the top of the spool is, where it's I always like stick the pin in there sometimes. Because it's a hole. So put a sequence up there. And there. Absolutely. Too cute. What a wonderful collection. Appreciate her creativity with this, right? How nice. So here's our cards. This one, happy birthday, with the toolkit. That came out really nice. Fa la la la, fa la 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 la, right? And we did the wooden hoops, and I didn't color them, but I colored it here. Here we did the Thanksgiving or Halloween, and look at these pretty roses, really made that. And I didn't color the hoop on that either. And then here I didn't color the hoop, but I did the tree in the middle, and I let the hoop stay oversized. And I did Christmas greetings up here. This one has sentiment on the inside from the stamp set. I guess I could put something in on that one. This one also has inside. And then this one too, you know, of course you've got the inside there to do whatever that you'd like with. Of course, I have glued the card together. That is hilarious. There we go. All right, so here is our cards with this collection. They came out beautiful. I just love that. I love these scissors. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.